Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Make sure you watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, we do have a little bit of a higher low on the US dollar CAD. We are trying to push up today. We definitely got a little bit of a counter trend move going on with all the dollar pairs, definitely. The dollar is definitely still very weak. But if you go up to the daily time frame since the last end of a correction, which I would say is right here, we definitely do have one, two, three, four, five waves down. So we could possibly now be making a correction to those five waves. But we have to be careful with assuming that it's going to make a correction to those five waves because it could just pop up a little bit and just keep on going down. The trend is very heavily down, and we should still be looking for sorts. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, this is the structure level that would prove to me that the downtrend is over. Anything that happens between this line and where we're at now could possibly just be an A, B, C correction to the downtrend. So if it does make, like an A, a B, and a C, and then make a lower high, then that definitely would end up pushing us down more. If it goes up and breaks this structure, then that likely would tell us that the five waves I showed you on the daily is over, and that we are likely in a correction to those five waves on the daily, which would still likely be some sort of an ABC. It would just likely be a bigger ABC than the one that potentially could happen on the 1 hour time frame. So definitely pay attention to your structure, maybe throw some fibs on there and see what happens. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.